And what's going on, guys? October, gonna be bringing you guys some banger content. I know I said I was gonna do a vlog to kind of diss cars, but I'm not all about that. I can't be no Drew Peacock or anything like that, but we're gonna be checking out some cool cars like these guys, old Integras, Miatas, cool cars around here. I'm gonna show you guys all the cool cars around here. El Monte, what is it, Dona Media Night. So don't forget to click down below and subscribe. Keep updated with all the videos happening in October. Tomorrow's gonna be something really cool. It's a small event, so smaller vlog there. And then Saturday, it's gonna be really busy on Saturday. We're gonna go to all different car meets, from Mattel Hot Wheel Collection, then to the Zimmermans, and after all that, it's gonna be some other cool stuff at nighttime. So stay tuned for all that, guys. Starting off the bat right over here, we have a really nice gray colored Corolla. The GR edition, that's crazy. Already coming out with a whole different color. I love how thick the rear end is too. Man, she looks good. All right, coming down here, we've got the infamous Herbie Beetle. Spaghetti-O. Nah, obviously skipping over some other cool cars, but what? That is dope, and it's got the rag top on top of it. Oh man. Movie car alert right over here, guys. That is sick. Something right next door I totally skipped over. I've never even seen anything like that before. This Subaru looks crazy. And we got all the show cars right over there. It is 8 o'clock, guys. This event started at 8 o'clock. Wow. And it's already packed out. It's already crazy over here. Crazy night. Got the donut tent out here, and got a live Skype going on over here with everybody. Sick. Of course, this place being the infamous Fujiwara Tofu Cafe here in El Monte. You have to have the RX-7, the R32, and of course the AE86 parked over that way with all the popular people over that way. But let's get out of this guy's photo. Oh man, some really cool cars. Same cars from last time that were here. We have another AE86 over there, nice. And Stealthy is here. Sick. Alright, it is super dark out here, but if I could just address this bumper really quick. This is on a G35 37, but it has a style of a GTR bumper. Huh. It's halfway there. Halfway there. He's got it winking for the kids. And it has a little center exit exhaust. Okay. All right, from this angle right over here, you guys can see it's already getting packed, man. So super sick day out. We got a A86 that's halfway there to looking like the original Fujiwara Tofu Cafe car, but this one right here, 300CX, sitting on some chrome work wheels. Super dope, super clean. The color on this is immaculate. Very nice color, very nice color. Right here with a K-Truck, a little wide body on there. Sick. Nice. F80 Simon, clear tails, an M3. That is freaking dope, man. And it looks like he's got a whole entire different cluster going on in there too, or what? A race car style. Nice. Can't forget about the classics. And the waifus and the Miatas again. It's insane how many like stickers he has on here. Oh, that's dope. And it's on bags too, VIP style with a little flag. Dope. Type R right here has an exhaust, some wheels on it, lowered and everything. Pretty clean tint. That's crazy though. Big old fat lip on there. Woo. So comment down below, guys, what do you consider to be a build? Wheels and tires, coilovers, or actually like engine mods and cosmetic stuff? Because there's a lot of different like car people out there that focus on different things, and me as a car enthusiast, I think honestly any kind of things that you do to your car that you invest time and money in, that's a build, because it's your build, it's your passion, you know. But not spinning in the S13. Not the unwelded diff. There you go. You just gotta gun it. Full send it. There you go. There you go. They got the RX-7 right behind. Sick. See, now this is just a crust bucket. Where are you going? That's a sick gen right there, and his right hand drive. That is dope. What is pulling up? What is pulling up? Beautiful RX-7. And a 370C. And this 370 has got the little taxi sign on top. Adorable. Alright, there you go. Your boy Roger_EK. Sick with it. There's nowhere to park at, man. They go in, they go out. Oh, little baby scrape. I don't know if that was R34 GTT, but it did not look like it was hooking on the rear, but it looks like he's going back inside, so let's go find that R34. Now, the difference between a GTT and a GTR, even like, well, GTS is a sedan, but GTT is going to be rear-wheel drive, and the GTR is going to be all-wheel drive for any newer car enthusiasts here. But hold up. This dude got Tesla wheels on here, and it's tucked in the rear. That's funny. And we got a Del Sol here with the lifted front end. What? Rattle can white. It's a special paint color right there. Wow. Static, man. Static. Swinger special right over here. It's another Mustang right here. This thing is sick, dude. The blue and the white. Totally walked past that earlier. Everyone getting hyped over the McLaren. It is pretty nice. Not too bad, not too bad. Green color looks dope.
In the engine bay with a specific bin for re-amenity. Now, enough sweating. Let's actually go and try it.
This thing is so sick. Oh man. My first impression is tight.
It's very small. It feels almost small.
Donut media night.
Give it a second.
It's amazing how big YouTube can take people and how it can connect individuals, especially into the car scene. This one is nice, right? But I told you guys we're gonna go inside to go find them, and we did. Thing is sick. Man, oh man, oh man. One day, guys, one day. I was just trying to get a photo, but I heard that thing coming down the street. Something super sick, something super clean. I kind of like it without the big wing on there. Tonight is officially completed, guys. We have an R31, 32, 33, 34, and a 35 all out here. Oh my goodness. Finally, we have one out here. I took a little sigh of breath right there. That is amazing, guys. The OG GTR R31, the infamous Minecraft taillights. What is that noise? Who is making all that noise over there? Of course. All right, a night out in Tokyo, guys. Got the rotary truck out here. That thing sounds menacing. And then also we had a PT Cruiser show up over here with the big old spray. But okay, flashing back over here, but we're waiting for the line. I don't even know what this is, guys. Comment down below, what is this Honda doing here? And then right here we have a carbon fiber fully front end. This thing is sick. Man, this is goals right here, guys. Menacing. The white wheels look so sick on this thing too. Look at that color on the BMW. Oh my god. The rich boys just showed up. It's another McLaren. I feel like they should park over there with the other one, but this RX-7, hold on. I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy the noise of this beautiful rotary. Every time I see this car, the Ferrari wheels, man. I love that gray color too, that battleship gray. So sick. Alright guys, guess what kind of car this is in? Yup. Full on wrapped PT Cruiser, man. Ain't that insane? Looks like we are fully boxed in. God, this color looks so good. I don't think there's any any way out, guys. I think we're gonna be staying here for a little bit. McLaren problems, huh? Hold on. We got something hiding over here, guys. Not this thing. This thing look crazy. Another night in Tokyo right over there. But this Porsche, this thing looks sick. So on the 20th, there's going to be an event. Hopefully I'll be able to make it. I know Cars and Copters is coming up. I don't think I'm going to be able to make that one because of work. Unless a magical miracle I get sick. Pretty sick video premiere, guys. I just met Austin from Donut. Hopefully it's gonna come out on 26th to Chemical, guys. We'll see what's up. At least I talked. That's the best part about it. So now I'm coming over here to the other side of the lot. Wow. Looks like These Nuts has joined in with the Street Habits. Congratulations for that one. But this one right over here, pretty sick. Got the shadow lights and everything. Woo! Alright, so that's gonna be it for walking around. I think we still have to figure out what this minivan is on this side right over here. It's imported, it's right-hand drive, it looks sexy, it's tiny. What? Everything is laid out in this car. I know you guys probably can't see, but man, all the seats are all laid out. I don't know what that is, but it looks like a Scion kind of. Well, he's got what? What is up at the door? Kind of walking around, exploring everything. I love the white on white over here, but guys, what are we looking at? This guy said, "Hold on," in the middle of the rebuild, decided to come out to Donut. What? It's a whole entire Mustang engine in there. It's got a couple of them in there, huh? Inline 6 it looks like, and the big old V8 with the tranny in it. Crazy. Coming down the line, we got a really nice old Eclipse. It's got those weird taillights though. I don't know about those, but ooh, brother, it's got the chrome mags on there. All right, automatic, not too bad.
You have your waist. Where's your wastegate? The wastegates are right there. I have like 2 bumpers. Oh, down there. Oh, heck yeah, dog. It's a screwer pipe? It's a dump?
2 dumps, yeah.
Oh, no way. That's
Or
why your
one
car
for
sounds.
each.
That's why your car sounds dope.
Now the car, because of the sauce, I have like a fucking mid pipe. This down pipe right here.
But when you
Oh,
get
no,
on it,
but in
dog.
the front it sounds loud.
Yeah.
The front's
Like,
loud.
when you get on it, you hear it, dog. Like it's dumping right there.
Yeah, and then the turbo, you hear that shit.
Spoolish. Bro, I wouldn't even run it off. I would run it just straight surge. Because you won't hear that, right? You'll hear from the turbo.
Oh, if I take off the blow valve?
Yeah, if you take out the blow valve and just run it no blow off them, like that's how you get that JDM like
Because I'll show you.
Is that good?
Like all the throttle like at 4K RPM. You just hear
Dude,
that.
that's sick, dog.
That's crazy, man. It's a beautiful car.
You can hear it.
I'll let them chop it up. We'll check out the rest of the cars. So that's gonna be it for the vlogs, guys. I hope you enjoyed Fujiwara Tofu Cafe, the donut reveal. I didn't get too much of their YouTube video. You can check it out on their channel. Obviously, I don't want to get that copyright, but as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.